We decided we're going to be eating healthy, because we have not been.
So, we're making a video talking about like what we eat in a day. Go,
Dude,
go!
I'm not!
Anyways. So we started eating healthy yesterday. Worked for me so far at least. But for dinner I had a sub, and I just had turkey, mayo, and lettuce on it on a whole wheat bread.
I had a tuna sandwich with lettuce and some Swiss cheese.
So then for breakfast, I had vegan yogurt with gluten-free granola and strawberry slices, like all, mixed together.
I had coffee.
I was gonna have coffee, but I
had coffee with sugar-free, 0-calorie, like, sweetener.
Once again, I fell asleep last night without plugging in my phone.
Really?
So my alarms didn't go off. We both did that like yesterday, and I did today again, so.
I still snooze for an hour.
My friend was picking me up at 7:45. I got out of bed at 7:34, and I still had to shower. I made it though. Yeah.
You showered and got ready in 10 minutes?
11, yes.
Did you fucking, like, wash your hair?
Yeah. Wash my hair, condition, wash my face, wash my body, everything, even change.
Like. I freaking hate people.
Oh, today I had an EOC, and so like I wasn't planning on having a snack. I was just gonna, like, excuse me, sorry, wow.
By the way, an EOC is an end of course test. So it's like a standardized test.
Yeah.
Where you have to sit in there for like 5 hours, even though the test is only like 1.5.
Oh yeah, it was freaking insane. Anyway, so I had that, and I was just gonna like eat some of my lunch for my snack, and then the teacher was like, by the way, I bought snacks for all of you guys last night because I just kind of like went crazy at the store. Yeah, so first she gave us all mints to start out, like before the test, and then she was like, yeah, I have snacks for you guys if you didn't bring one, or if you just don't want yours. We were all like, okay. And so she bought like boxes of Ritz crackers, so everybody had their own little sleeve. And then she was like, yeah, and I have gluten-free crackers too. I was like, freak yeah, bitch. Yeah, and I was, yes, and so then I had some of those. So my snack was gluten-free Cheez-Its. And because I was having like lunch super late too, so normally I don't have a snack, I'll just eat some of my lunch, but.
Yeah, we literally never eat until we get to lunch.
And so then for lunch, I had 2 hard-boiled eggs, an apple, and string cheese.
I had a couple homemade croutons. That's where, okay, so this is my situation. I snoozed for an hour, clearly, so, I didn't have time to like pack lunch or anything, and we didn't have like any like foods in the kitchen, but we were making homemade croutons, and so chef was like, oh my gosh, go try one, and I kid you not, they're freaking crack cocaine. Like, they're so addicting, and they're so good, oh my gosh. Like, there's no words. So that, I kind of slipped off the wagon, fell off the wagon, whatever the freaking expression is.
And so now, because she just picked me up from school, we're going to get our nails done, so we were like, naturally we need coffee, so we were at Starbucks and we're like, we're hungry. So we got our classic iced vanilla latte with sugar-free vanilla syrup. And then, so we were like, well, we're both really hungry, so we got this chicken wrap.
Chicken wrap, ignore like my half in there, I'm about to take it out again.
Chicken wrap with peanut coconut sauce to eat with like cucumbers. And they put apple slices in there too.
But they put it with the with the cucumber.
Yeah, that was a weird
So it tastes
like cucumber. And neither of us really prefer cucumber, so.
Which, I wish I liked cucumber, but I just don't. This one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Nope.
No, the next one. I literally know where this is. Like, I used to come here.
There's so many entries. I'm so confused too about that.
Anyway.
I almost drank your old one.
You wouldn't know. I know.
Okay. That's so awkward.
Not as awkward as the eye contact I just made with that way. We spent so much
really
time
bad.
together.
It was really bad. Okay,
like, we spent so much time together. It's crazy. Again, I don't think we realize it. And then people are like, what the freak did you just say? And I'm like, oh, I understood her. And they're like, what?
I was literally just like,
Yeah, and I'm like, oh yeah. I'm like, yeah, I'll go get that for you. Thanks. Really
All right.
dying. Oh, I went
Bye.
to
We're going to get our nails done. Ew, my nails look like. Ugh.
before. Here's like the grown out like.
Yeah.
So. Look, my red is freaking gone.
I don't know what color I had before.
You're like purpley pinky.
Oh, it was pink, yeah. But they're so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh. She almost hit the pizza guy.
I did not.
Yes, you did. Get a nice minute alone.
Oh no. Oh, I really hope she's gonna have to like. Anyway, so I don't have any tea to spill while she's gone, but I hope no one pulls up behind me. Well, actually, I'm kind of on the side. Oh, she's already out. Yes, ladies.
They were just like awkwardly like looking at me, and they were like, I was like, it says golf balls! Golf balls! They're giving away free golf balls! Selling them! They're her favorites. She comes to my house to see my dogs, not me. She just said, this is Amanda's, take it inside for her. Talking to my dog. And then she's like, I'm just kidding, you don't have to do her work. They're too cute. Yeah, huh? Hello. Aww. You guys excited? Yeah, So is Emily. All right, let's go.
So we're taking the puppers for a walk.
Because we're good dog owners. We just finished walking them. Now we brought water for them because we're good little puppy owners. You ready?
Are you ready to go home?
Go on inside.
Oh God, yes. He's like, I'm getting in first. No matter what.
Okay, Buster, go on in. Go ahead. You could just drop the leash. Go on in, boys. Oh, good boys.
Okay, puppers.
All right. Goodbye. Hello. Oh, puppers. Hi.
I know. If you could turn the car on, they're probably really hot, and so am I.
No. Sticking his head. Oh.
Little puppers. You literally. I'm dying. No, actually. Don't get her hair in it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna close with the rest of the
Okay.
Okay, now pick me up.
I ain't trying to break a suitcase.
No, it will not
Bro,
break.
the zipper will snap.
Oh, I can't do it, Amanda. Okay, bye. I know, no.
Oh, what the fuck are you?
Cheers.
Bye.